Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. I bet you didn't know how YouTube decides which videos to show you. It's not magic, but a sophisticated algorithm working behind the scenes. Think of it as the puppet master of your YouTube experience, carefully selecting what you see. This algorithm plays a crucial role in the platform's success, connecting viewers with content they'll enjoy. By understanding how it works, creators can better navigate YouTube and reach their target audience. Let's unravel the mystery and explore the factors that make this algorithm tick. The YouTube algorithm's primary goal is to keep users engaged and on the platform for longer durations. Every click, like, comment, and minute watched feeds into this complex system. By analyzing user behavior, the algorithm learns individual preferences and tailors recommendations accordingly. This personalized approach ensures that viewers are constantly exposed to content that aligns with their interests. Ultimately, the algorithm's success lies in its ability to satisfy viewers and keep them coming back for more. But it's not just about keeping viewers glued to their screens. The algorithm also strives to promote high-quality, relevant content. It prioritizes videos that provide value to the audience, whether it's entertainment, education, or inspiration. By surfacing engaging and informative content, YouTube aims to foster a thriving community of creators and viewers alike. This focus on quality ensures that the platform remains a valuable resource for learning, sharing, and connecting with others. In essence, the YouTube algorithm acts as a gatekeeper, filtering through millions of videos to deliver a curated selection to each user. Understanding its inner workings is crucial for creators looking to maximize their reach and impact. By playing by the algorithm's rules and consistently delivering exceptional content, YouTubers can increase their chances of standing out in a crowded digital landscape. So, let's dive deeper and explore the key factors that influence this powerful algorithm. One of the most critical factors in the YouTube algorithm is click-through rate, or CTR. This metric measures how often viewers click on a video's thumbnail and title when it appears in their recommendations or search results. A high CTR indicates that the video's title and thumbnail are compelling and relevant to the target audience. YouTube takes this as a positive signal, suggesting that the video is likely to be engaging and worth watching. Another crucial factor is watch time, which refers to the total amount of time viewers spend watching a particular video. Longer watch times signal to the algorithm that viewers are finding the content engaging and valuable. Videos with higher watch times are more likely to be promoted and recommended to a wider audience. Therefore, creators should focus on creating content that captivates viewers and keeps them hooked until the very end. Engagement is another key element that the YouTube algorithm considers. This encompasses likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions generated by a video. High engagement metrics indicate that viewers are actively interacting with the content and finding it valuable enough to share with others. The algorithm interprets this as a sign of quality and relevance, boosting the video's visibility and reach. Relevance plays a crucial role in determining which videos are surfaced to specific users. The algorithm analyzes a video's title, description, tags, and content to understand its subject matter. It then matches this information with users' watch history, subscriptions, and search queries to deliver relevant recommendations. Creators should focus on optimizing their video metadata and ensuring that their content aligns with their target audience's interests. By paying attention to these factors, creators can significantly improve their chances of success on the platform. It's all about understanding what the algorithm values and aligning your content strategy accordingly. With the right approach, you can turn the algorithm into an ally, helping you reach a broader audience and achieve your goals. There are many myths and misconceptions surrounding the YouTube algorithm, often leading creators astray. One common myth is that simply uploading videos frequently will guarantee success. While consistency is essential, it's not just about quantity, but quality. The algorithm prioritizes engaging content that resonates with viewers, regardless of upload frequency. Another prevalent myth is that using specific keywords excessively in video titles and descriptions will trick the algorithm. However, YouTube's algorithm is sophisticated enough to detect keyword stuffing, which can actually harm a video's ranking. Instead of resorting to such tactics, creators should focus on using relevant keywords naturally and organically within their content. Some creators believe that buying views, likes, or subscribers will boost their channel's visibility. However, this practice is strongly discouraged and can even lead to penalties from YouTube. The algorithm is designed to detect and devalue artificial engagement, prioritizing authentic interactions from real viewers. Focus on building a genuine audience through compelling content and community engagement. Another misconception is that once a video starts performing well, it will continue to receive views indefinitely. The reality is that the YouTube algorithm constantly evaluates and re-ranks videos based on their ongoing performance. Even videos that were once popular can experience a decline in views if they become less relevant or engaging over time. Therefore, creators must consistently produce high-quality content to maintain their audience's interest. It's about staying relevant and continuously improving your content to meet the evolving needs of your audience. By debunking these myths and focusing on what truly matters, you can set yourself up for long-term success on YouTube. In the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, one thing remains constant: quality content reigns supreme. While understanding the algorithm's intricacies is crucial, it shouldn't overshadow the importance of creating valuable, engaging, and shareable content. The algorithm is designed to reward creators who consistently deliver an exceptional viewing experience. Focus on understanding your target audience and their interests. What kind of content are they looking for? What problems can you solve for them? By creating videos that cater to their needs and preferences, you'll be well on your way to capturing their attention and keeping them engaged. Remember, the algorithm is constantly analyzing user behavior, so the more viewers enjoy your content, the more likely it is to be promoted. Don't underestimate the power of a strong hook. In today's fast-paced digital world, you have mere seconds to grab viewers' attention and convince them to stick around. Craft compelling titles and thumbnails that accurately reflect your video's content and pique viewers' curiosity. A strong first impression can make all the difference in attracting clicks and boosting your video's visibility. Finally, remember that building a successful YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is key, but don't be afraid to experiment and evolve your content over time. Stay up to date with the latest trends and algorithm updates, but always prioritize creating high-quality content that you're passionate about. By focusing on your audience and delivering exceptional value, you can navigate the ever-changing world of YouTube and achieve lasting success. Learn from other successful creators and adapt their strategies to fit your unique style and audience. Collaboration can also be a powerful tool for growth, allowing you to reach new audiences and create fresh, engaging content. Invest in your skills and knowledge by attending workshops, webinars, and other learning opportunities. Don't be afraid to try new formats and ideas to keep your content exciting and relevant. Celebrate your milestones and achievements, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. Engage with your audience regularly, responding to comments and messages to build a loyal community. Continuously analyze your video performance and make improvements based on feedback and data. Share your journey and experiences with your audience, creating a deeper connection and fostering loyalty. Plan your content strategy for the future, setting goals and milestones to keep yourself on track. Most importantly, enjoy the process of content creation and have fun with it. Your passion and enthusiasm will shine through in your videos, attracting viewers and keeping them engaged. By focusing on quality content, understanding the algorithm, and staying true to your unique voice, you can achieve long-term success and growth on YouTube. Inspire others with your success stories and continue to push the boundaries of what's possible on the platform. Make a positive impact on your audience and community, using your platform to share valuable insights and inspire change. Reflect on your journey and look forward to the future with optimism and excitement. The possibilities are endless, and with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your dreams on YouTube.